tell you about why people get motion sickness. Scientists do not agree with just one reason, but they have come up with 5 big ones. Let's count them down. Eye movement theory. This theory says that motion sickness happens because of unnatural eye movement. Normally, your eyes move in a certain way to keep the world stable on your retina. But in VR, the image on your eyes can move differently than expected. Your eyes then have to move in an unnatural way to try to stabilize what you see. This unusual eye movement can confuse your brain and body, triggering nausea and motion sickness. For example, imagine putting on a VR headset. The images move in strange ways, and your eyes have to work unnaturally hard to keep up. They are used to moving smoothly, but now they are struggling. That stress and weird movement can make your brain feel off. And before long, you will feel uneasy. Simple trick to solve this: give your eyes something steady to look onto, like a horizontal line or a crosshair. Rest frame hypothesis. This theory says motion sickness isn't just about sensory conflict. It's about confusion over what should be stationary, that is the rest frame in your mind. Your brain always picks something in the environment as stable, that is the rest frame. So usually it's the background, like the ground or the floor or the walls of the room. Other things are then judged as moving relative to the stable background. Motion sickness happens when the cues about the rest frame do not match. For example, in VR, if the ground looks like it's moving, your brain gets confused like, wait, is the ground moving or am I? Your inner ear, it says that you're not moving, but your eyes say that you are. So this mismatch causes sickness. Postural instability. This theory says motion sickness happens when you can't keep good balance, especially in new or unfamiliar situations. Normally, when standing still, your body is constantly making tiny muscle adjustments to stay balanced. If your brain gets confusing signals, like in VR where the screen shows you're moving but your body isn't, you might make the wrong muscle adjustment. That makes you less stable, that is leaning or swaying or off balance, which leads to motion sickness. Evolutionary poison theory. Motion sickness might exist because long ago it helped humans survive. Our brain's job is to keep us safe. If our senses, like eyes, inner ear, body, send confusing signals about movement, the brain thinks something's wrong. Maybe we ate something poisonous that's messing with our system. And to protect us, the body reacts by making us lie down and stay still, so the poison doesn't spread. Sweating and vomiting to get rid of toxin, making us feel nauseous and unwell. And finally, we have the sensory conflict. Motion sickness happens when your senses don't agree with each other. Your eyes might see one thing, and your inner ear and the body might feel something else. When what you see does not match with what you feel, your brain gets confused, and that confusion triggers motion sickness. So from our eyes that get confused, to losing our sense of stability, to wobbly balance, to ancient poison alarms, and finally, your senses flat out disagreeing. That's the top 5 reasons behind motion sickness. Each one tells a piece of a story, but together they explain why your brain sometimes turns a fun ride into a rough one.